Hey everybody, I'm back. We are talking about what we're doing in the community right now, which is deprogramming and reprogramming our subconscious mind. One of the things that I want to talk about is your focus. What you focus on will grow. What you focus on with your mind, with your words, will reinforce what's already planted in your subconscious mind. When I was a therapist, when I act in the role of therapist, I changed the way I did therapy because I don't want people focusing on the problem. I don't want you to anchor in the problem, because the more time you spend on the problem, the more you manifest the problem. No joke. You relive the problem. When you focus on the problem, you relive it. When you vent about the problem, you're reliving the problem. You're giving life. You're breathing life into the problem. So I tend to minimize focusing on the issues and magnify focusing on the solution. Now, to deprogram, you do have to figure out what the problem is. You do have to figure out what the struggle is. But you want to figure that out and then focus on the positive. Focus on the positive ways to state your coming out of the struggle. So I'm going to give some directions. I'm going to put it like in a little reel or a video montage or something of instructions. But what I want you to do to prepare for when we go live and do the exercise with everybody, I want you to write down 1 to 3 struggles. Write down what they are, what you struggle with on your journey, something that you want to relieve yourself of, something that is not serving your highest good. I know some people, for example, there was this movie back in the day called Failure to Launch, and I was like, oh my stars, like, so I call like, I was like, I coined that, failure to launch. A lot of people come to me and they have businesses, they have all these business ideas, all these bright ideas, and they don't launch a single freaking one of them. And it's like, what is that? You have failure to launch. You ain't launching nothing. All you doing is a bunch of yin yang, talking, and ain't launching nothing. So, but where does that come from? Are you having fear of failure? Fear of success? Fear of what? Where's that coming from? Do you have a lack somewhere or whatever? But guess what? Who cares where it's coming from? Because you can actually heal stuff like that without knowing exactly where it's coming from. It could be coming from another lifetime. You know what I'm saying? It could be coming from some lineage crap. It could be coming from your programming, whatever. More than likely, it is the programming that comes from whatever, this lifetime, another lifetime, whatever the case may be. But you can heal that without anchoring in what the actual problem is. So I do want you to write down what your struggle is, what you want to overcome. But I don't want you to focus on where it came from, because that's going to take you on a journey that is low vibrational. And that's not where we're going to be right now. We are going to make this experience very high vibrational. So we are not focusing on anchoring in no bullshit ago. Okay? And I get that from this girl, so madam. She says bullshit ago. I stole that from her. So anyway, okay, so write down your little things that you have a struggle with, and we will work on overcoming those. Now, in my journey of becoming the healing practitioner that I am today, I started out just being intuitive. I've been a medium. I didn't know I was a medium, but I've been a medium all my life. I had no idea, because I thought that when I was visiting people that were spirits, I thought they were alive. Nobody told me, because I didn't talk about it. You know what I mean? I didn't say I was visiting my great-grandmama. I didn't know she was not even here, you know, when I used to go visit her. I didn't know that until like within the past 10 years. So, wow, I was a medium since I was a kid. I had no idea. But so I've been doing I've been a medium and an intuitive like all my life, but I didn't really know it. I just thought I was good at giving advice and stuff, and I knew stuff, but I just thought I was smart or something. But so on this journey, I have learned many different healing modalities, and I'm going to say I've relearned them, because if you've watched any of my video series, there was a series that I was asked to do called I Am Isis. So I'm the reincarnation of Isis in this lifetime. So a lot that I have learned, I've actually relearned because my spirit already knew them. So when I would take courses and workshops and things of that nature, learning new modalities, I didn't understand initially why I already knew how to do it, you know, and nobody in the classes knew why I knew how to do it either, being that I was brand new. But I wouldn't know all the terminology and stuff. I just know exactly what to do the healing work. So in my journey, I've learned a lot of healing modalities, or relearned them, and I know how to facilitate the healing without you having to anchor in the problem. So you're going to get the benefit of that. So when we do these exercises, your little role is to write down your issues and just breathe. Close your eyes and breathe, and then allow me to assist with the I don't even know. The words are energetic transmutation. That's what's coming in my mind right now. So allow me to assist with the work, and you just breathe and be present, and we're going to have some fun. So anyway, y'all, I'm going to continue in the next one, the next time I get an inspired thought this morning, and I'm going to get back to my little journaling.